Let me take pride in toxic work culture. I'm going to go past this guy's name. I work on weekends. For me, it's just another day. The thing is, weekends are man made. If you have energy to work on weekends, why take rest? Just because it's the weekend? I read this somewhere. Weekends are an act of corporate trickery, a dangling carrot that keeps workers tethered to their jobs. Don't let the matrix trick you. Okay, this is just kind of all over the place. I mean, maybe this man is a startup and he's like grinding every. I mean, if you count the stuff that I do for this podcast, I guess yes, I work on weekends, and this is kind of a continuous churn. So maybe for a startup that makes sense, but no, as an employee of a company that thankfully has a nine to Monday through Friday 5 day work week, thanks to lots of progress that has happened in society. Thanks. Yeah, no, I'm appreciative of my weekends off, and I will not be working weekends unless I absolutely have to. So yeah, I will rest because it's the weekend. Because you need rest. You're gonna burn yourself out if you're constantly working every single minute of every single day. It's the quickest route to burnout. So I'd say no, no. If you work for an employer, I'd say that this is absolutely terrible advice. And I don't let the matrix trick you. Okay, don't. Is this like a quote? No. I mean, maybe we could watch this video about how not to become a bot by Neptune on YouTube, but no, don't let the Matrix fool you. No, there's nothing about this. This is not a thing. Okay, so here's what I'd say about this bad boy or this LinkedIn post. It doesn't make sense. I don't understand the advice here. So yeah, the working week is also man-made. And to be fair, we as people are also okay. I gotta see this. The working week is also man-made. To be fair, we as people are also man-made. What a prick. Yeah, the 2 day weekend exists only through years of campaigning by the likes of unions and other groups. This guy would like to see us go back to the 19th century. Yeah, that's yeah, not ideal, man. So here's what I'd say. I'd say this is terrible advice. 10 out of 10, LinkedIn lunatic. For me, it's just another day. No, for me, it's my day of rest. So thank you, buddy. On to the next one.
Payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.